The great continental construction project that built North America began with the supercontinent Rodinia, which formed 1.2 billion years in the past by accretion and collision of fragments produced by the breakup of an older supercontinent. The word Rodinia originates from the Russian and fittingly means to beget, to give birth, as well as motherland and birthplace. When Rodinia broke up, it split into several pieces. One piece eventually produced the most recent supercontinent to have existed, Pangea, assembled approximately 335 million years ago. Pangea began to break apart about 175 million years from the present. The final phase of its rifting produced the continental craton of Laurentia, which would later become North America. You may recognize the word Laurentia, for it is named after Canada's Laurentian Shield, home of spectacular landscapes and the majestic Laurentian Mountains, which received their name from the St. Lawrence River, named after the early Christian martyr Lawrence of Rome.